happy Thursday. It's almost the end of the week, thank goodness. So yeah, today I'm just going to be taking you guys with me to do a couple of things. Well, it's not really anything special. It's Thursday, so it's still a normal work week for me. But I do have a couple packages that I need to, or orders that I need to fulfill and then drop off at the UPS store. So you guys just saw me get my daily coffee in. I also just made my shake. So I'm drinking that, and I'm going to show you guys the protein powder that I've been using, because I normally, like, I've made a couple videos on me making shakes, and then I've also posted a couple IG reels on me making different shakes, but I've never shown you guys the protein powder I use, probably because they don't pay me to show y'all. But I just figured I'd be nice and just show you guys which one I'm using, since I am plant-based, and I know it can be kind of difficult to find a good plant-based protein powder. I've been through a couple of them. The majority of them are nasty, but the ones that I found, the brand that I use is pretty good, and they have of course your normal vanilla and chocolate flavor, and neither one of those flavors are bad. Like, I know sometimes people are like vanilla flavor is the worst, or some people say chocolate is the worst, but no, both of them are really good, because I've tried out both. But I did get a newer, I guess it's like a newer version of their protein powder. The normal one I get usually has oat milk in it, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, I've already had my coffee, and then the protein shake is considered my breakfast, and then I'll have lunch later. But right now I'm getting ready to show you guys how I pack orders. I do have a couple IG reels on that too, so it's kind of self-explanatory a little bit, especially if you guys are small business owners and you use, you know, Shopify, then you kind of know the process already. But I'll just show you quickly how I do mine, and then yeah, I'll drop them off at the UPS store. And I also am going to the gym today, so I think today is upper body day. In the last video I showed you guys 2 leg days, so hopefully I get to show you upper body today, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is the protein powder. It's Orgain Simple, and I think they sell this brand. I got this from Whole Foods, but I've gone into like CVS, or I don't know if they sell it at Walgreens, but they do sell it at CVS if you have one near you. But this is a different one than I usually have. The other one that I used to drink from is well, the other one that I had before had oat milk in it, and so it was actually really good, and it actually was very smooth. This one's a little bit more grainy, and I just got this one, I want to say last week, and I've only tried it twice so far, and it's not bad. It just tastes a little grainy, and that could be me and not blending it that well, but I don't know, I'll figure it out. But this is what it looks like. If you want to try it, it does have nuts in there or seeds in there, so just in case like you have allergies, I would not take this one. But if you can, and if you do want to try a new vegan protein powder, I would say go for this one. Okay, so when I package orders, of course I like to print out a packing slip first. If I don't print the packing slip, then I won't know exactly what they ordered, and that's how you can mess up your customer's order, and then you're gonna get some complaints. But anyways, after I print out the packing slip, I then find out how many items they have, and then I grab the certain amount of velvet bags that they're gonna need for their order. And then this customer ordered a moisture locking oil, which is our best seller, and then she ordered 2 serums. She's a returning customer, and she loves the serum a lot, and so she ordered 2 this time, and I don't blame her. I love it too. It is perfect for protective style season, which is approaching us very rapidly because it is almost September. I'm very sad, but anyway, so after I lay out all of her items, I'm then going to go ahead and package them. Okay, so after I package the items in the velvet bags, I then go ahead and add a bag tag to one of the velvet bags. This is a good customer retention tip, and I did post about this in a IG reel and a YouTube short. But yeah, I just attached one of these, and I messed these up really bad, and I was actually kind of upset, but that just goes back to taking your time. Nobody's gonna know except for you guys, so I just told you guys. But yeah, she could just scan it and then repost her items and then tag Culture Curls, and then she'll get a discount code to use on her next purchase. But yeah, normally these are pre-cut, but the ones that are already pre-cut are already gone, so I'm just gonna cut these, or cut this one and then cut the rest later. And then this gets stuck. It's stuck. Okay, but yeah, so that's what it does. So I just cut this and cut a hole in there, and then I'm just gonna take one of the items and then just pull it through. For pop-up shops, I normally just tie these to the bags, the actual shopping bags, but for online orders, I just tie it to the velvet bag so I can ensure that they did see it. And then there you go. Okay, so after I package the item or the items and put it in a box with peanuts, I like to weigh the item so that I can put it into Shopify, and then Shopify can accurately measure it, and then I can pay for the shipping label. If you guys do not have Shopify, I don't know how else to explain it for other platforms, but this is how it works in Shopify. Once you put all of the measurements in, or the weight of the item in, then you can buy the shipping label, and then of course you print it through whatever printer that you have. Okay, so this package is ready to go. I just have it covered because, of course, customer information and, you know, privacy and everything. So this is what it looks like after it's done. I'm going to set it off to the side and start working on the second order. Okay, so I guess I can't show you guys the packing, so we just have to cover it. So for this customer, she ordered 1 scalp serum, and then she ordered a 1 moisture locking oil. So I'm going to go ahead and get that together. For this one, I'm thinking she'll be able to just use well, she'll need 2 as well. So I have 2 of these velvet bags, and then here's her oil, and then there's her scalp serum, another good choice. So for her, I'm gonna go ahead and give her 2 velvet bags, and then a scalp serum, and then there's her oil. So for her order, I was actually able to fit it down into this gold bubble mailer, and I've had these for a long time, basically since before I launched. I think I actually might have forgotten where I got it from, but I can always find out, just in case you guys are wondering and you want to use them for your business. But yeah, so they're just down in there. The packing slip is in here as well, and then these are just very simple to close up. You just rip the paper off, and then you just fold it downwards. Same process as the last one. I take out the scale and then just weigh it, and then I'll add this weight to my computer and then update it so that I can put the or print the shipping label and apply the shipping label. I usually put it on the same side as the seal so that I know, or the customer will know, that it has not been tampered with in any way. So yeah, I'm just gonna add this weight to the computer, print out my shipping label, and then set it off to the side so I can take it to UPS. Okay, so I'm done packing the orders. I set them off to the side, and any time that I package orders, or before I start packing and even afterwards, I always sanitize, like, of course, my hands and then my station that I work on, and I also get the bottles a quick, you know, rub down really quick before I put them inside of the velvet bags, just for the customer safety. But anyways, they're off to the side, and I am going to take them to UPS later, but right now I have to get back to work because I am still at work, and then it's almost lunchtime. So once lunchtime hits, I'll show you guys what I'm eating for lunch, but in the meantime, I will see you guys real soon. Okay, so here is my lunch for today. It is a Mediterranean bowl, and then there's this is black lentils. I've never tried black lentils before. I actually really don't like lentils to begin with, but I need more protein, and I just read that black lentils have a lot of protein. As a matter of fact, I think it's 17 grams of protein, so that is a lot, and that is definitely enough for me, seeing how I do not eat like meat anymore. And it just has olives, red onion. This is like a different color, a different assortment of cherry tomatoes, yellow peppers, and what is this? Cucumbers. And then this is vegan feta cheese. I was gonna put Greek dressing on there, but it looked a little suspicious, so I'm not even gonna mess with that. So I might put this Greek plant-based yogurt on there, not the whole thing, but just like a little bit. Or I actually might put this tahini sauce on there. I actually like tahini. At first I didn't, but it just depends on what brands you get. But yeah, I might put one of these 2 on there and then eat this for lunch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat while I work, because I am running a little behind on schedule. I went to lunch a little bit later than I normally do, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat while I work, and then I'll catch you guys at the gym. Well, I have to drop the packages off first, and then I'll just catch you guys at the gym. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. It was a pretty good upper body workout. What you guys saw, that was just like a portion of what I did. My friend wound up showing up because at first I was by myself because I didn't think he was going to be there, but then he wound up showing up, and so we just did shoulders, and I didn't film that because I was tired of filming at that point. And plus, I'm just not that good at shoulders yet because I never really do shoulders, so it was just going to look all kinds of crazy, and I didn't want to show you guys that disaster. So yeah, for dinner, my sister's going to cook actually, and I'm probably not going to film that just because I don't know if she want me hovering over her with a camera. So I will just be ending today's video here, and thank you guys so much if you made it to the end. And of course, I need you to do something for me. I need you to hit that like button, subscribe, and also make sure you click the bell so you get notified every single time I post on this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Thank you. Bye, y'all.